Hey, it's Alex from Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. Today we're in studio and we're going to be talking about the 5 things that you've got to know about the TurboNetX Precision Turbo Upgrade Kit for the 2015 to 2019 Ford EcoBoost Mustang. If I'm 100% honest, back in 2015 when Ford announced the new Mustang, and they said that they're going to put a turbo 4-cylinder as the middle of the road motor, I puked a little. That to me sounded like sacrilege in a muscle car. But now, a couple years later, with products like this and some of the builds that we've seen, it's become very, very clear that the EcoBoost Mustang can hold its own, and it's here to stay, and it's actually very tunable. With this drop-in turbo upgrade kit made by TurboNetX, you can actually push this base 4-cylinder turbo motor to make the same output as the Coyote V8 and even further. In fact, quite a lot further. With the necessary supporting modifications like an upgraded intercooler, injectors, ignition coil, or even an E85 conversion, this kit can support up to 520 horsepower. That is a ton of juice for a little 4-banger, and that's muscle car horsepower, like a Mustang should have. Precision Turbo put in some pretty awesome technology upgrades from your stock turbo. And these upgrades are designed by really smart mathy people that have much bigger brains than me. They put in a divided twin scroll turbine housing, which gives you improved throttle response. They put in a ported shroud compressor housing for even more low RPM performance, a high efficiency compressor and turbine wheel, as well as dual ceramic ball bearings, and that's a killer combination of durability and efficiency, which just leads to more horsepower across the entire power band. This one might be the best. This is a pretty easy DIY install. Should take you about 2 to 3 hours. You could do it in your garage with basic tools. Doesn't require that you pull out the motor. It doesn't require any cutting, fabrication, custom plumbing, or electrical. It is a direct drop-in stock replacement. At $2,500 to $2,800, this is one of those mods you have to ask yourself, why wouldn't I do this? I mean, as far as bang for the buck and your ability to tune and push it as far as you want to go, it's hard to see a value better than this. Now, if you compare the base MSRP of a stock EcoBoost Mustang for $26,000 to $27,000 and the base MSRP of a Mustang GT with the Coyote V8 at $36,000, that means that you could buy a Mustang EcoBoost, drop in a Precision Turbo upgrade, push the same horsepower as a base GT, and save $5,000. Then take that $5,000, put in all the other mods, and blow the doors off a GT. All right, that's the 5 things you needed to know about the TurboNetX Precision Turbo Upgrade Kit for the 2015 to 2019 Ford Mustang EcoBoost. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if we missed anything, just throw it in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for future videos, and when you're ready to shop for your parts, go to Motoroso.com/shop, where you can shop hundreds of thousands of the top name brand products in the aftermarket, sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum.